Welcome to another episode of trying to improve English. And like in the last month, I have just revised all of the Trie Data Structure in Java, and I am very happy that I have done that because I was trying to revise this for a very long time. I think for maybe one or even more time, 1 month or even more. So I have just revised this, and right now I am moving forward, and there is one project that I am doing with the help of Node.js. It is like designing a website which is a clone of Starbucks, and I'm trying to add Node.js in which I have created a form, and on entering the username and password, the user will move forward the database. On entering like these details, they will be added to the database, and I can get them using the database and display on the front end. So I will be sharing the code and my GitHub link in the description so you can check it out.